2022 MINI Countryman. With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get satellite radio, turbocharged engine, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, dual panel moonroof, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.